We are now with Mr. Peter McArdle, who is the Vice President of Integrated Systems at Lockheed Martin Aeronautics. He is better known as Skunk Works. Mr. McArdle, your panel today highlights the role of advanced unmanned systems in allied defense. From a US industry perspective, that's a very critical point of view, especially now, during this time. From your perspective as the representative of your company, what is the most urgent capability gap the drones can address in allied operations?
Well, right now, the biggest thing that drones offer is they offer the ability to provide affordable mass. So if you don't have a large budget to go after, large expensive airplanes, you can use, drones to fill in. And with some of the technologies and autonomy that exist today, you can get the same results out of a smaller package than you would have required a manned platform in the past.
Okay, thank you. How does Lockheed Martin engage small European nations to become part of wider industrial and supply chain frameworks?
Well, we are looking to expand our opportunity to partner with both small and large nations. We recognize the value in Europe of buying European, and so we're looking for opportunities to partner with European countries to deliver the capabilities they need.
Okay, and last but not least, with the recent US-Cyprus defense cooperation steps, as you may know, do you see opportunities for Cypriot industry to support transatlantic programs in manufacturing or sustainment, especially for drones?
Well, as we talked about, I think for all of our international operations, we're looking for opportunities to partner with other companies in drones and in other areas to strengthen our business and the business of the native industries in those countries.
Thank you very much for your insight, opinions and viewpoints, and it was very nice to meet you.
Thank you.